Verify your account is factory reset protection, locking you out until you enter the Google account that was synced before the reset. This video will show you how to break through it. The first method that still works on some devices is the TalkBack accessibility bypass. On welcome screen, tap accessibility and turn on TalkBack. Draw an L shape on the screen to trigger TalkBack menu to use voice access, which opens a path to the browser and ultimately lets you skip the Google verification entirely. If you can't use this hack, you will see this. TalkBack does fail on newer security patches. You need SamFirm AIO version 3.3. Here I launch the program and, right in the upper right corner of the interface, you will spot the buttons for Reset FRP. With the phone connected, I click one-click Reset FRP. And immediately a pop-up guides me to open the emergency dialer on the phone and enter *#0*#. From there, the software will reset FRP auto. If you can't use SamFirm, MagFone Android Unlocker is a good choice. Choose the correct Android version. MagFone then leads me right back to the welcome page, where I tap emergency call and enter *#0*#, instantly launching the hidden diagnostic menu. Then MagFone will help you remove the Google Verify Your Account screen.